Morning show on Fusion. Something to chew on this morning. 3D food printers that make candy. Fusion Zara Stone gives it a taste test.
Sure gonna help me in the kitchen. You're watching the morning show on Fusion. We're also on Twitter at Fusion Morning.
It can be yours for just a couple $1,000 bucks.
What?
Yeah, just a couple $1,000 bucks. Fusion Zara Stone went to check out how tasty can 3D printing food be. Let's take a look.
This is the Chef Jet and the Chef Jet Pro by 3D Systems, and they are 3D printers for food. So how we do that is by spreading a very fine layer of sugar and then wetting it selectively with inkjet cartridge that's just like the inkjet that you'd have in a desktop 2D printer. So we spread a very fine layer of sugar, then add water, sugar, water, and we construct with frosting.
And so what kind of things can you make when you're like making stuff in the machine?
You can make all kinds of things. Candy toppers, little tiny candies, chocolates. You could make lattice work that you could set in a cocktail to sweeten a drink. We can make hundreds of little candies per hour.
And so how did you get the idea of kind of 3D printing food?
Actually, I owned a 3D printer, and a friend's birthday was coming up, and I decided that I would try and 3D print a cupcake topper for her birthday. So the Chef Jet prints in chocolate or monochrome white sugar that you can flavor any way you'd like.
And where do you see kind of a future of kind of 3D printing? I mean, do you think everybody's going to be printing food at home?
I think in the long term, everybody will. But for right now, what we want to do is get these printers into the hands of professional bakers and restaurateurs and see what creative things they come up with. I'm really excited about the intersection between technology and food and art. It's just a great space to be in.
Awesome. And so now I think we have to do the taste test. That was good. Tasted like chocolate.
Well, but she is British, so maybe she thinks anything tastes good. Like, tastes good.
That was a low blow.
Tastes like English food.
No, it's like ink and sugar and weird geometrical shapes.
Now,
That could be a commercial for Lucky Charms.
Yes, it could.